Hey guys, what's up? It's Jordan. Today I'm going to be doing a review for you guys on the Fake Bake Self-Tanning Spray Lotion. This one is the 60 minutes, meaning the minimum amount of time you can leave this on your skin to develop is an hour, and you can leave it on up to like 2 or 3 hours. I always do double, so I'm going to leave it on for 2 hours. But basically, this is a self-tanner, and it smells delicious. It works really good. Every time I've used it, I've never gotten streaks, so that's a plus. You want to make sure that if you're putting it on your ankles, your knees, your elbows, whatever has creases and is disgusting, because I hate creases. You want to make sure you put lotion on those or something that's not Vaseline. Let me tell you, because I did that once, it was a hot mess. When you wash it off, you want to make sure that you're only washing it off with water, because the pH balances in soap kind of tend to react with this stuff and wash it off. And I only have done that on my wrists, so I know, and I put it on my face still, because why not? So, also, without further ado, let me just go over the elephant in the room, which is this bikini does not fit me. And I'm only wearing a bikini this small, as you could tell. It's disgustingly small for the purpose of this video. I am going to be putting this on my boobs, not going to lie. I put it on my butt too. Yeah, so we're going to get on. So first, probably should have moved that. So honestly, I start with my legs. Do we got a good area? We'll just go with this. So I don't think this is the right thing to do, but we're going to do it anyways. So I did 4 sprays of this. As you can see, I'm a pro. So there's that. I just go in circular motions when I'm putting this crap on. Alright, so I always put more on my thighs because they're gigantic. That's always fun. So I did 4 more, you know, to cover surface area. And I get like as close to my bikini line as possible. You do not want to do this naked, because one time I did this when I was completely naked and no underwear, and I sprayed it a little too close to some things. That was not a good time for me, okay? That was not a good week. I actually do a lot, I'm not gonna lie, because I wanna look dark, so I think that's good. Now, as you can see, there literally is no streak marks already. Next leg. Literally, it goes on so disgusting. But I've done a lot of reviews searching on this product, and a lot of people like it because it really doesn't smell disgusting. Even if it does look streaky when you're putting it on, it won't be when you wash it off. You also want to make sure that you're exfoliating your legs and shaving anywhere you're putting it beforehand, so I did that. I shaved my arms, but I shaved them the other day, so I don't really care. Yeah, it really doesn't leave streaks though. Oh, but I used bar soap, right? So I used like, I don't know, Irish Spring or something stupid. And whatever it did, it made my skin way too dry. So I ended up with like patches wherever my skin was like super dry. But this was in the summer. Because like an idiot, I still used this even when I went outside tanning. Stupid. I always make sure too to wash my belly button when I'm done. One time, I used this stuff and my belly button was black. I was like, so we're not gonna have that happen again. So to get my back, you may be wondering, Jordan, how do you get the back? And I don't know. I spray it with a mirror, okay? See this? It's like I got a shot. So this lower part is easy. It really is. But then we go into the hard part, your upper back. This, I go like this, and like this, and like this, or I go like this, make it like I'm hugging myself. This is like the hardest process to be beautiful. I'll tell you that for free. I kind of bring it around to my neck too, because I don't want my neck to not be tan. Know what I'm saying? Was it good? Alright, good enough. Jordan, you dumb bitch. Yeah. This is editing, Jordan. I thought that black spot was gone until I looked in the mirror just now and caught it spot on my back. So, maybe you should have someone do it for you. I don't have that. Yeah. Make our way to the top. Beautiful. I'm gonna be brown. I freaking hope so. Well, this is PG-13. I must have forgotten how mirrors work because you can clearly see me rubbing it on my boobs. So, yup. Alright, so now I'm going to do something that people tell me not to do, which is put it on my face. So for this part, I actually do spray it on the gloves. And then go like this. Now, your face skin cells turn over quicker than any part of skin on your body because they are constantly being exfoliated, constantly, you know, exposed to light more. There's a lot of things that go into play. So I still do it, and then I just break out, and it's just a good time. If you're like me and you want to just chance it, go right ahead. No one's stopping you. People wear cheeky bikinis. Gotta get the inner thighs. Alright, last but not least, my feet. Like so. And then, you just kind of rub it in. And then hope for the best. Literally, I just go like this. No one's gonna see them. It's winter, baby. And then, yeah. So now that I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm gonna go do my hair. Hopefully that'll take an hour and I will come back. But I'm definitely getting out of this bikini. Because number one, the butt don't fit. Or the boobs. This is from like high school. And number two, I do not want lines. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and my hair is done, my makeup's done, half-assed, whatever, what are you gonna do? My back mark is gone, thank the Lord. My tan, I pulled down the line for you because I gotta go, so I didn't want to wear that again. But, yeah, so far, so good. We are developing, and, my neighbor is staring at me. It's somewhat dark. I mean, my actual tan lines go further, but we ain't gonna discuss that with you. I'll be posting the pictures of my tan later on Instagram, so if you are not following my Instagram is the same spelling, Jordyynashley _fit as my YouTube channel. And my Snapchat's on there too if you guys want to follow me there. But if you enjoyed this little instructional video on how to use this tanning lotion, make sure to let me know and subscribe for more videos. So, yeah, I guess that's all I gotta say. So, stay tan, ladies and gents.